Our little bonus side coverage here. Every time we leave Lightning, we always stop for a feast at Taco Bell. So what we always do is our cameraman Merle, we challenge him to a challenge. One year it was 6 double cheeseburger challenge.
Did you throw up after you ate all that?
No, but we had to pull over to rescue.
No, I didn't throw up, but I let out the other hole.
Today is the 10 taco challenge, but we also make him 1 sauce of fire pack sauce on each taco. So hand me the camera and let's have your strategy, Merle.
You guys really think 10 tacos is a challenge for my fat ass?
In under 10 minutes.
Oh, no, this is a man versus food.
Let's do this one right now. We'll get him. This is what it's gonna look like. He's opening the first pack up.
Dude, he's the go-to hot pack.
If he's got a hair.
Hey, by the way, if I don't make it home, Mom, the PlayStation goes to my sister.
We get your mad.
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta go 2-pack.
Yeah, God.
2 packages of fire. So there'll be a total of 20 packs of fire sauce.
Somebody call St. John's. I'll be there in an hour. Ready?
All right. There's the start of 1.
Dude, you're losing it. You don't know how to...
Don't worry,
He
I'll...
does not know how to eat.
Is it a matter of 10?
There's number 2. How's it looking, Merle?
Going for number 3.
Yeah. There you go.
Tell him.
Number 4. Dude, you're eating that too nicely, man. You need to cram that thing in your face.
Come on. Cram it in. Cram it.
I'm not from Lakewood. I don't fit big things in my mouth.
Dude, eat it like you've been starving. Eat it like you're a starving Ethiopian. Nice, dude.
Number 5.
Fire sauce.
This is...
Is he gonna do it?
Well, dude.
Look at all the carcasses of hot sauce.
This is number 6. They doubled this one up. It's gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
How you feeling, bro?
Oh, great.
You know what? I think after he eats all these on the way home, since I don't have any shocks in the back of the van,
He's gotta go in the trailer.
lay in the back bed.
Oh, gonna be gassed up for the rest of the way home.
I was talking about the shaking and stomach fat. And you know what he ate this morning? He ate like 2 bagels.
Number 8, no stopping now. If I can ever get this open.
I just ate 5 tacos and I'm seeing double.
Wimp.
I can't eat no more.
We got 1 more to go, bro.
Oh, that's Burrows.
Oh yeah, I just burped out at least 2 of them.
What number's that?
8. I can start to feel the fire sauce in my nostril.
What number is this?
Number 9, doing fine.
All right, here's the deal. After you do number 10, I'll pay you $20. You take your shirt off and go ask that little girl at the counter out on a date.
No. No, I've already been in trouble once for that.
Come on, hurry up. Battery's dying. Let's go. So much burrito or taco sauce on his fingers, he can't even open up a taco packet. Number 9.
That leaves me room for 1 more.
How'd I go order it?
No.
Come on, a big bite. Let's go. You're talking. All right, what number is this?
Number 10.
Carl, 3 packets of fire on this one.
Oh, exactly.
3 packets of fire for the finale.
By the way, Taco Bell fire sauce sucks.
Come on, bro.
Oh, is there one more? Shit, let's. Oh, come on.
More sauce.
This is number 10. You might as well just go all out, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's hot and mild.
A little bit of extra boom.
Oh yeah. That's considered a sauce taco. Man, that shit came out quick. That shit came. Look at my hand.
Lick them.
Dude, you got mud and everything. Nice.
Wow. That one hit me hard, man.
Come on, we're running out of tape.
Like, what an idiot.
Stay in school.
Yeah, don't do what I do. Woo!
I give him credit. Good job, Merle. You need to get the rest of that on the table, though.
All right, here's the carnage of 10 soft tacos.
Wow. 6
Mission accomplished.
And your sauce still sucks.
Too many pounds.
That's what we're trying to work
That's
on
what I'm
him.
trying to work on me. You ready?
Look, he just ate 10.
Hey, I just ate 10 soft tacos. You want to go out on a date?
See you later there.
Sucks to be you.